So here's the one thing I could say to all of my fellow Filipinos. To all my fellow Filipinos, unsubscribe Sangkay Janjan in his YouTube blog. And even Jordan Bunagan, unfriended him in Facebook or block him, including Nino Barsaga, unsubscribe him and also block him in Facebook and unsubscribe that in his YouTube video. And even for Danmar, don't talk to him in Facebook. Oh, don't be friends with him. You know, guys, I know I'm very angry at the Marcos administration because of corruption. Because I criticize against Sangkay Janjan, Danmar Dayaw, Nino Barsaga, and Jordan Bunagan. Because you don't know what is a corruption in the Philippines. Recently, corruption. Now what happened here? Lots of corruption. Now you see there's lots of plenty of corruption. I am saying to idiots Jordan Budagan, Sangkay Janjan. Oh, Sangkay Janjan Sangkay. Nino Barsaga. And especially Danmar Dayaw. There's lots of corruption. Oh. And you don't know what is a corruption in the Philippines. Stephen Pimentel, I'd apologize anyone. Oh, I know Stephen Pimentel, he apologized to one of his classmates in CDIFI. He apologized Rapasoko. He apologized John Almonte that he voted Bongbong Marcos because Stephen Pimentel, he doesn't know what really happened in the Philippines. Stephen Pimentel got scammed by Bongbong Marcos. He was being scammed. Oh, I apologize to anyone, folks. I apologize to Teacher Kel Pabelo, Teacher Jessa Fernandez, Sir Eskel Penumbra, Sir Calvin Cuevas, and even to Teacher Ruthie Barrientos. I apologize that I voted Bongbong Marcos because I know I never voted Bongbong Marcos because I am not a voter register. Last 2022, I apologize to all my fellow Filipinos that I endorse him because I'm not a voter register That time, in 2028, I'm also officially a voter register. I'm already took a voter register, cakes to Kapitana. We don't want to be happen in the Philippines about corruption. Oh, for meanwhile, as a matter in fact, when there is corruption, there is a new corruption. Oh, that's what I'm just saying. Anyway, oh, being as I'm a Filipino, I don't like corruption. I don't like plunder because I criticize Dan Mardayaw, Jordan Bunagan, Nino Barsaga, and um including Tata Eminilao and other BBM bloggers. Are all of you are happy to support the pathetic fascist president Bongbong Marcos? He's corrupt. You don't know what is really happening. There are lots of corruption because of this kaya. By 2028, I'm going to vote Sara Duterte and that her running mate is Vico Soto. What if I say Sara Duterte and Vico for 2028? Oh. For president and vice president. Oh. If Vico Soto was a vice president of the Philippines, there will be no corruption. If Sara Duterte become a president of the Philippines, she will revive the presidential anti-corruption commission, or PAAC, that was created by her father Rodrigo Duterte. There will be no corruption. And now you see, Philippines will give us a loan from South Korea, Japan, and even Germany. It will give us a loan. In the matter in fact, there will be no corruption.